Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna be making me my lunch, and it's gonna be some classic tuna fish. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing y'all how I'm gonna be doing it. I went to the Dollar General store and grabbed some of the items that I needed to make this dish, and I also got me some hot pockets for later on or whenever. I got some smoked sausage, I got the albacore tuna, and I got some Tostitos chips or salsaritas, whatever. I got some eggs, and let's get started. I got my camping stove that I'm gonna be using to boil my eggs. This is actually the first time I'm boiling eggs on my channel, so I'm excited about that. And y'all listen, it ain't nothing like making your own tuna fish. You can put as many eggs as you want in it. You can put as many pouches or cans of tuna that you want in it, and it just works out perfect for me. So I'm hope y'all enjoy this video and just watching me, and I'll pop in every now and then to talk. Right here, I'm just checking to make sure I got enough butane in my canister before I start boiling my eggs. That's always a good idea to do that. Don't forget to clean the top of any cans if you're going to be opening it. Okay, so right here my eggs have been boiling for exactly 10 minutes. And what I like to do, I like to boil them 10 minutes and then let them sit for another 10 to 12 minutes so it can cool off. And y'all, by me using butane, it gives me the perfect boiled egg. This is just me putting in my seasonings and my tuna fish. Now right here, don't judge me, judge your neighbor. I put 1 packet of sweet and sour sauce from Panda Express in it to help with the sweetness. I only have 5 packets of sugar, so that sauce is gonna help me with my sweetness. I love a sweet tuna fish. So judge your neighbor, not me, okay? Right here, I'm just cracking up my eggs, and yes, judge your neighbor, not me on this part as well, because I'm just dropping them in there to crack them up, and it's so easy to peel my eggs, y'all. I didn't have to use any salt or oil. They came out clean. They didn't come out beat up or anything. I really had a good time making this dish. Everything I needed was right here in my car. I've had so many people over the last year ask me, how do you do that? Cherie, how do you do this, that? Y'all, I'm telling you, just because you live in your car, you can still make it work. You know, you just got to use common sense. We found a way to make it through COVID. We found a way to make it when we got laid off from our jobs. We found a way to make it when people was furloughed. You just have to work it the way that you know how to work it. I haven't missed a beat by living in my car and not having an apartment. Right here, I'm just cleaning out my tea kettle because I don't want it to ever rust. Every time I cook, I've always liked to clean as I go, because y'all, when it's time to eat, it's time to eat and relax and watch a good movie. I don't know about y'all, but I like to get all of this stuff out the way before I eat. All right, so right here, I'm ready to crush up my eggs. This is another segment of Judge Your Neighbor, Not Me. I'm putting on my glove. You're going to see how I chop up my eggs. Hey, when I lived in my apartment, I diced them and chopped them up real pretty and cute in my car. I'm chopping them up with a gloved finger. It is so easy. I don't have to mess up any knives or cutting boards. I can tell you this, the first time I did that on the channel, I had about 7 women reach out to me through email and tell me that's how they now chop up their eggs. It's less work. I mean, it's easy to just crush them up with your hands. Nobody is going to know how you cut up your eggs, okay? We don't even know how they chop them up in the restaurant, okay? Okay, so I'm just getting everything mixed up and trying to get it patted down before I add the rest of my ingredients. So listen, the good people over at Sonic, I will always love those people. They take care of me, and I'm gonna show you what I had to get from them. So this is me using my Hellmann's mayonnaise. I love Hellmann's. It has a distinct taste that I am addicted to. And now I'm gonna add in, yep, you guessed it, onions. Diced up onions from Sonic, and they gave me some good old sweet relish that kept me from having to buy it in the Dollar General store, which they didn't have none anyway, which is the reason I had to go to good old Sonic. This is the movie I'm going to be watching, The Bad Guardian. I love this movie. I'm about 20 minutes in, and I love it. This is a picture of my good tuna fish, y'all. This was pretty much the best tuna fish that I've ever made. I'm not even lying. I've made it a million times, but this right here was the bomb. With these chips, that's all I needed. I'm happy. I'm gonna eat on this a few times today, and it's light. My stomach is already bloated, so this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna enjoy my movie. Y'all enjoy y'all's day. Thank you for stopping by watching my video all the way through. If you liked it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, even a share if you wanted to share it with somebody. Enjoy y'all's day. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Just call me back, please. Papa still isn't answering his phone, and he hasn't returned any of my messages.
It's probably nothing, but just gotta be.
Buckle up.
You reached Jason Davis. Leave me a message.
Dad, it's Lee, and I haven't heard from you in 4 days.